开始。
Hello everyone, welcome to watching our summer due live stream. Thank you so much. This is Evening from FYSETC and this is my new car Sarah.
Hello guys, this is Sarah. Nice to meet you. I'm very happy to meet all of you. Today we bring you a lot of surprise and benefits. What are the surprise and benefits? Right, today we will introduce our newly developed products to you. That sounds exciting, right?
Yes, great. Now let's start. First of all, today our listing theme is summer deals and we will be showing a new product. So it may take a while, but please don't leave the list postcard room. Now let's introduce our new product in detail and our company first.
Oh, by the way, the most important thing is discount coupons will be issued from time to time during the live broadcast. So please don't leave our live broadcast. Please pay attention.
Yes, and today we are very happy to meet you on the list broadcast today. But there are some new friends who may be meeting for the first time, so in order to let everyone know about our FYSETC first, please let us take a minute to introduce our company. Thanks.
FYSETC is established in 2014. It is a manufacturer of 3D printer parts with well-equipped testing facilities and strong technical force. We are committed to developing and delivering open-source hardware products all the time, such as Arduino and Raspberry Pi modules, as well as 3D printer parts and 3D printer control boards, extruders, turbo drivers, hot bags, mechanical kits, and other upgrade accessories.
Right. Why FYSETC always with you? If you want to know more information, you could visit our FYSETC website.
Okay, through the above introduction, I believe that everyone has some understanding of our company. So let's start our new product showcase. By the way, if you have any questions during watching the live broadcast, you can leave your questions on the body comment.
Yes, we will answer your questions carefully.
Okay, next, Evelyn will introduce each product in detail. For example, what are the advantages of these products and how to use them?
Yes, the first we will introduce our new kit, Voron R2 kit and Voron R2 CNC aluminum alloy part. So maybe so many customers will know our Voron R1 case, and this R2 is on the base on the R1 new upgrade versions.
Like most pilots, we have a heart of continuous inspiration and pursuit of perfection. So our R&D team consider upgrading this kit, which is also to give our users a better experience.
Yes, to make this kit better, we source good quality parts, build and test. It really takes a lot of effort and time to do these things. So we are also looking forward to it. Now let's learn to put the kits here.
So
we will show you the Voron R2 kit.
Yes, so exciting. It is also my first time to see it.
Can you you can see our the kit. Yes, I will introduce this kit has some upgrades. First, there is the light guide. The S-axis is replaced by a 9mm guide rail for 12mm guide rail, which is more convenient to install, and the light rail is larger and more wear resistant. This light rail, light guide, and also look at this wheels. Upgrade from owner wheel to the cylindrical wheel of the Trident. Upgrade this wheel in order to make the kit more stable. Can solve the now the power switch, and look at here. It doesn't matter. We has optimized the display install. It can remove it, so this is a new upgrade. This display can install optimize. Look at here, and this is the MIC6, the aluminum alloy building plate. This one has a very high quality, and here is the magnetic. Can you put it? This plate can install optimize. This the magnetic stick. So it has a very strong magnet, so I can MIC6 on aluminum. This magnetic can make this one has spring high quality. Steel sheet printing very stable and not ensure the edge of more not break the magnetic. And here, so it has a very strong magnet, so I can MIC6 on aluminum. See the printing part here, the printing part. The printing upgrades are the printing optimized with slow, very preview inconvenient installation platform or optimize the structure. And this is the front. The front has so many colors. You can choose the color you like. Like this kit use the blue color. We have got black, green, other colors, and so on. With slow, very preview inconvenient installation. And the Z string, this is the one. With the hot instead of 2 hots, which is compatible with more types of string color. We have got black, here and other colors and so on. Look at here, the protective cover is added to the motherboard cooling fan. On the skirt, and the adhesive tab is trimmed to be fixed by screw. Look at this. Use the screw to put it. And has the mounting bracket of the electronics compatible component and best upgrade, which is better than the previous one. It's trimmed to be fixed by screw. Look at this. And upgrade the screw precision of the FYSETC synchronic rear tensions. The seam height at the belt. The belt can be made more powerful electronics compatible component. Also, the XY limit switch mounting bracket is trimmed to be compatible with PCB and a directory mount. And upgrade the screw precision. Increase the bottom plate grouting support to prevent the actually bottom plate from falling. Like some more extrusion heads mounting bracket which can be compatible with more extrusion heads. Same as the some more motherboard mounting bracket to be compatible with more motherboard. Supposed to prevent the actually this key is a very heavy, so very so like this. Or we will show you the box of the clean packaging kit. Same as the some more motherboard mounting bracket. Now I will show you the balloons, the R2 3D printing packaging. Hello, we have the two box of this keys packaging. So we can show you. I need the need. Now I will show you the balloons, the R2 3D printing. Let's open the unboxing box. Hello, we have the two box of this keys packaging. So we can show you. I need the need. Now I will show you the. Open this box. We can see this is the diagram of the spider version 2.2 motherboard. You can see this is the wiring diagram. It's for us to help us to install the motherboard and install the key. So it's very helpful for us to DIY this key. You can see this is the wiring diagram. It's for us to this is you can see all key parts neatly placed on the board, and we have item list label on each box surface. So you can check the item easily when you receive the key. This is you can see all key parts neatly are settled in the separating bay of the box label on each box to make sure you won't mix up if you open the box. You can see all the screw type and the size of the screw trap. Yes, it's very for us to helpful to build the keys. It's very clear for us to use the screw and make sure you won't mix up if you open the box. You can see all the screw type and the size of the screw. And here is the PVC cable dart. We can have a look at the picture. Like this one. This one is we install here. We can collect the cable, make the hardware will more beauty and more clear. So it's very helpful us to collect the cable. Like this. This one is the stainless steel light gray. It's very high quality. Also has the light gray here. The hardware will more. Their packaging is very tedious. So we have the spider board in here. Also has the overall relay. There also has the very high quality. Also has we have the second. Their packaging is very tedious. So this is the meanwhile power supply. can see our every box had a label, the sticker on the box, so we will very easy to find the parts you need. Like this box is put the brand here, and this one is the Nevermore fire air purifier. And this is the brand label, the sticker on the in one box. And this box has so many cables. Let's see. And our cable has a label their name. So and the cable, we made the label so very easy to read it. Don't you make mistake. Next is we will show you the motors. Let's see. This is the dedicated design stack motor. Hello. There is a model number at the breast side of the motor. You can get detailed docker on our GitHub with this model number. The motor has the model numbers at the breast side of the motor. So it's the package is very nice. And look at the stepper motor and the install cable. We add the labels so you won't miss them. Easy for you to install. Have a look. We add labels so you won't miss them. Easy for you to install. Yeah, this is a Z cable. Okay, we will show you the more parts one by one. Oh, the front is very heavy. Yeah, nice. Because this front has so many colors. Like this is red one. Before we show you the blue from the kit. So the front you can choose the color. Also, this front we will also patch with the screw. So where the necessary screw will fit together. This is the big box for the first box for Voron R2 kit. silicon box is smaller than the first box. Yeah, we have looked this is the silicon heating mat. Is this the silicon heating pad with a pluggable first, so you can change it. And we also has this is the custom is a lucent mat. In order to make the temperature more stable, and has other function is isolutes the temperature. Just look at this. This is the 2mm magnetic stickers. And after some magnetic force is sure that the edge not are wrapping, so have a very strong magnetic. And I need to introduce this just BPS, this PEI switch. One side is smooth PEI surface, and other side is the power surface. It's smooth, and this is a power surface. So you can have two different kinds of printing path surface. In addition, there is a magnetic stick had 2 millimeters. And this one now is very heavy, so it's a MIC system plate. So they are also very high quality. That's all. This is our packaging of our R2 kit.
Well, thank you very much to Evan for explaining the new products. Now you must be wondering what exactly is the upgrading Voron R2 kit. Seeing the introduction of many parts, these parts seem to be no different from previous products. What is the difference? Let's talk about the upgrade price for this kit. First, it adds an 2-ball afterburner per hand as PCB and the wiring harness are Teflon cables.
Yes, this can install more extruder head.
Second, it also adds JSS limit switch board hard touch, JSS and stock micro switch PCB. As you can see, all hard all harnesses are labeled. It can be easy for you to plug in the board according to our wiring diagram. Besides, it also has PVC label dot and at the hold back extrusion carton.
Yes, the extrusion cartons can make the less noise and can extrusion the temperature.
Okay, at last, the kit include the Voron Nevermore V5 Air Purifier, which is also our latest accessory.
Yes, equipped with click-tree prop lever ring upgrade keys and on-room lever switch, so this lets our lever rings more accuracies. Now there are so many upgrades to this machine. Now let me answer that the advantage of our upgrades as follows. You can see the power point. The equipped with 12.9 grade block key, not easy to sleep, and guides anti-slipper belt. Equipped with the 2mm up-to-6 magnetic sticker, super magnetic to ensure no wrapping. Relays on room, so has a high quality. 5 and a mi-volts power supply. 6 then a spider motherboard. Also the Raspberry Pi, you can choose it. This is a selective. If you don't want the Raspberry Pi, you can contact the customer service, and also you need the Raspberry Pi, you also can cast our service. But our case package is don't include the Raspberry Pi.
Yes.
So please remind A. 7 the silicon heating pads with pluggable first.
Wow, that sounds great. So what is the price of such a kit? Are there any benefits? I can tell you yes. Now the excited time has coming again. Today R2 kit has huge discounts in our listing room.
Yes, you can look at the common section. We have the product link. You can buy from it because today it has a coupon and many discounts for you. So if you interested, please look at our comment section to get the coupon. And all in all, the upgrade versions are to make installation and operation more convenient for users. The friend who watched the list box case today, a voucher or a coupon have been distributed in the comment section. Get coupon in our comment section, and the quantity is limited. Please buy it as soon as possible.
Yes, so don't miss it, come on.
So look against the kit. We will show our kit again. Here, can you see here is the Nevermore V5 Air Purifier. This is, and so this kit we has at this part. Also for the front, we have so many colors for you too. Can look it. Blue, purple, green, gold, pink. Yes, has a very color for you choose. Also have a black. colors you can choose. So you can DIY your the color what you need. So now we have looked this feed. Has upgraded from the owner feed to the cylindrical feed. The feed is more stable, and the power switch and the network cable sock on the bottom skirt are placed on the both side. We can show you. The power switch and network cable sock on the bottom skirt are placed on the two sides. Okay, here. This is the upgrade part, and here turn this way. So heavy. Here, this is we protected the cover is added to the motherboard cooling fan on the skirt. And the head cap is changed to the width by screw. Now use the screw to install it. And this size. The display installation method is multiplied. So let's look at it. This is the spring suite. Has made a 2mm magnetic stick, so it's made the printing more stable. Also can ensure the edge of the not wrapping. And this is lighter gray. The light now is the 12mm gray ray, which is more convenient to install, and the lighter ray is larger and more wear resistant. And the printing are upgraded and the printing are optimized, which through some preview is inconvenient installation problem and optimize the structure. Look at here the printing part. This is aluminum alloy part, so it's look more beauty and durable durable. The mounting bracket of the electronics compartment component have been upgraded, which is better than the previous one. Upgrade the screw position of the XY axis neutral wheel tension, the same higher at the belt, and the belt can be made more horizontal. And the gas belt and the resist slip. Increasing the bottom plate key support to prevent the acrylic bottom plate from falling. As some extrusion head mounting bracket which can be compatible with more extrusion head. As some motherboard mounting bracket to be comparable with more motherboard. This is the Voron R2 kit. If you have any further question, you can contact our customer service. Now we will show you the front profits again. Their material is the high quality aluminum alloy. So and the different color you can choose it. You can DIY and build the beautiful Voron R2 kits you like. So thank you for your watching.
Yes. Now we will introduce the next product. Okay.
Yes. After introduce this, the Voron R2 case, we will show you the Voron R2 CNC part. Yeah, hello. Hello, the packages. Each case we will show you. Wait a moment. Yeah, the packaging is very tedious. Each key has a round patch in a special made from and steel box include full CNC set and a necessary screw. Look, the screw packaging, the screw include the necessary screw. So that will pack in a special made from. So in the shipping is can take the parts very safe. Also, this the material is aluminum alloy. We can see it's heavy aluminum alloy. Made of high quality aluminum alloy, sturdy and durable. So it has two colors. And black and red. So a beautiful appearance. CNC machine pre-designed mirror will show to mount on the front, getting adorning the perfect fitting hole. We can show the perfect fitting hole. Part machines well. And black and red collocations, a beautiful version stroke. Yeah, their packaging is like this. Each case is well packed in special made from four. Go ahead. Packed in a special made from and a steel box. Include a full CNC set and necessary screw. Yeah, this CNC aluminum alloy has this code. You can look at our comment section to get the coupons.
Oh yes. After we issued the rebroadcast poster, many customers asked us about this product.
Now we have next new product to share with you. Check the PowerPoint. Now let's have a look. Many customer very interesting our ERCF kit. As we know, ERCF system is consumable switching device that can realize a single machine to automatically switch a variety of different consumable or material to print more in the same printing process.
Now let me talk about the enriched rapid color feeder.
Yes, we also have a label for this box for the screw and the cable, so it's for us easy to find the cable. The cable we have remarked the name on the cable, and this is ERB board, a little board.
This is the motor.
Yes. And then this ERCF kits don't include the printing part. If you need the printing part, we will supply to you. Like, have a look. It's a high quality lead screw. And here is the chain. This chain is very high quality. So lecturers tell us about the ERCF kits more information.
Yes. The ERCF can realize automatic switching of multi-color printing consumables, and the number of competitive consumables units is large. Currently, the number of compatible consumables for our all products is 9, and it does a modular assembly method which can flexibly adjust the number of replaceable consumables units of the equipment according to needs.
Okay, now let's talk about some advantages of our ERCF suite. The hardware uses the self-product ERB modules. Compared with other modules, the self-product ERB module is based on the RP2040 MCU. It's a power management chip. It is a USB-C interface.
Okay, let's go on. Let's talk about its advantage. In terms on the popular RP2014 chip, it is more portable. It can be used on multiple caliber firmware-based 3D printers with the most same configuration file, which can save your time on twisting configuration.
Yeah, its size is small.
Its size is small, you can see, right? It is easy to fit on the brain hand after burner, steels, or even other brain hands, because we design different holes in it, and it comes with the necessary fasteners, which makes it easy for user to install it on the green hand. Also, it is a USB-C port. Right. Okay.
Yes. This portable input strap has one ball and some screw, so it's for us to easy to install. This is the portable input strap. If you're interested, you can go to the comment section to get the coupons.
Okay, let's produce the next product. The next product is Spider version 2.3. Okay, as you can see, this is our Spider version 2.3 motherboard. I think many users will ask, what does it upgrade?
Yes, so many etc. is the upgrade. Let's take a look now. Hello everyone, we are coming back. The network has some wrong. Now we will introduce the Spider version 2.3 motherboard again.
Yes, okay, as you can see, this is our Spider version 2.3 motherboard. I think many users will ask, what does it upgrade, right?
Yes, so what exactly is the upgrade? Let's take a look now. We can have look this board. It changed the 12 voltage RGB port layout to 3 frame ports. Look at here. Now it's a 6 port. It is easy for user to use the RGB pin flash output. In addition, it optimizes the fan control circuits and replace the features with an independent theory to improve both safety and stability. All stepper driver interface signals are at with voltage tramping to prevent the instantly higher voltage damage. We also re-arrange the PCB and change the position of the external terminal. Has look it. Here is some upgrade for the Spider version 2.2.
Yes, so you can see that this is Spider 2.3 version, which is mainly based on Spider version 2.2, has been further optimized. The above is our introduction to this product. If other friends have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment section. Okay.
Yes, this Spider version 2.3 has pre-results. If you're interested, you can to get our common sensors to get the discount to it. The quality is limited, so if you for the quality for this type is limited. If you want to interesting and want to test this board, you can contact our common customer service and buy from our the common sensors. The quality is limited and now is per results. So if you want to get it to test, you can buy it now.
Yes. And now have a look at our next product. Okay. Nevermore Wi-Fi DUO activate carbon filters. Yes, this is a new product, as you can see. The Nevermore Micro DUO Wi-Fi to remove VOCs and reduce odors from 3D printing. Functionally, hot air can be extruded through it instead of being recycled through a filter, which also increases the chamber temperature. In terms of the installation, it has various installation options to choose from, such as Voron V2, V2.4, Chiden, V0, V0.1.
Yes, if you want to use the Voron 01, you need to install the outer brackets to use it. Cannot use it directly. However, it should be known that if the Voron 2.4 kit is to be used on the 0.1 kit, the fan terminal needs to be wired separately and cannot be used directly. This is an issue that requires special attention. Let's see the packaging. Packaging list, you can see the PowerPoint. The Nevermore V5 DUO active carbon filter don't include the printing part. This is the packaging. 25015 24 voltage broad frames and some screws and 2 page 4mm active carbon air filter pellets and the 4 page active carbon small jewelry small bag. Can see the carbon air filter pellet and the front screw, some screw. This is a carbon air filter pellet, and here has the 4 active carbon small bag. This active carbon HV eco-friendly cross basis.
Yeah, I believe you must be very excited, right? Come to our comment section to get a coupon. Come on. Next, we will introduce the motherboard for Voron 0.1 kit. R4 motherboard.
Yes, we will introduce the motherboard for Voron's 1 kit R4 motherboard, and this board is very small.
This
board is very small, and the big small advantage is the board price is very cheap. First, is you the Sarah will introduce the feature of this motherboard.
Okay, let me introduce the feature of this motherboard. As you can see, first, it uses the Raspberry Pi ARM contact M0 and may control RP2040. Second, it fuses it in the form of a fuse holder, which is easy to disassemble. Third, it has a Type-C. It has a Type-C interface for master communication. Finally, it adopts the Raspberry Pi frame and adopts the optimal size design.
Yes, you can see that the motherboard is very small and beautiful. And the price is very affordable. It's cheap, you can get it. If you like this, please take the coupon and will make you more affordable.
Well, I'm sure you must be very excited to write. Just go to our comment section to create the coupon. Okay.
Yes, this R4 motherboard is designed for the Voron's version 0 3D printer. The size is very small, just 86 to 48 millimeter. Adults Raspberry Pi Chrome M0 and Master SP2040. So this board is at a affordable price. If you interested, can get the comment section to buy it. Okay, the new design motherboard. This will be the last new product. This is also our kids product launch. Today we are proud to share our newly designed motherboard.
Yes, firstly I can tell you that this is a replaced 10-axis industry grade 3D printer motherboard. Compared with the old version, it has a great upgrade in appearance and function.
So excited, Sarah. Can you tell me more about the features of the Spider King board?
Yes, as you can see the following features.
Yes.
Please see the PowerPoint. 1. It has a compact size, right? 177 millimeter times 108 millimeter. 2. STM32F407 default King core on board. F446 H743 4 pieces RP2014 option. 3. 10 turbo drivers support. 6 pieces 3A 28 voltage mask. 4 pieces 6A 16 voltage mask. 4. Intelligent identification of driver type. Automatic switch off. UART SPI channel. 5. 28 input mask. Turbine voltage at 3A DC, 5 voltage at 3A DC, 5 voltage at 4A isolant DC. Parent VIO power supply circuit for servo motor. 3 car fuels for hardware input. Main power input, motor power input. 6. Limit switch socket 24 voltage, 5 voltage, 3.3 voltage optional. Reading for more other equipment such as inductive sensor BL touch. 7. SH 2.5 for high temperature resistance connectors. 8. 12 pieces PWM cable power MOSFET outputs. 1 for hot bed, 5 for heat, and 6 for fans. Oh, it's so many features. 9. Up to 6 temperature sensors support. 10. Up to 6 watt PWM fans. 11. 5 voltage RGB LED NEO plus WS2812 SK6812. Repair discount smart controller compatibility. Pin headers on board. ESP1 and ESP2. Cap UART SPI Raspberry Pi connector including isolate 5 voltage at 4A power supply. 30. Onboard micro SD card. 14. Type-C USB connector. 15. ESP1 and ESP2 have more multiple flash functions such as UART I2C CAN, 16 SD card and USB firmware uproom support. 17. A 4.7K OHM 0.1% percentage temperature sensor per arm. Resistor is used. PT1000 can be connected directly. For PT1000, for PT100, an amplifier board must be used. 18. 5000 voltage digital isolation between all motor driver sockets, pin and control cord. 1937 voltage auto cover isolation between all MOSFET outputs and the control cord. Okay, that's all the features as I said before. 风扇
对，可以装到板子上面。
板子上。
对，直接上面。不用，不是风扇，对，盖在上面，盖在上面。
Let's show the operation how to use them. Okay.
对比看一下。就是有孔的可以直接对上，就是有孔的风扇孔。有个孔，
你来这里。
对，可以装到就正面。 这个就这样，对，这样比对一下就好了。就是说，最后是可以这样子。
Okay.
就是可以装风扇可以连上。
Wow, so many features, but also has so many advantage. Want to share with you. Now have lost this, the friends can and match the board. We have a hole to match it. You can see the holes, and here the motherboard also has the hole, so the big friends can match the board. And we have a more advantage want to share with you. You can see this board is the new 1086 industrial grade motherboard. So has a very 3D printer install function. Can use this motherboard. It's industrial grade motherboard. This board can you just use the biggest 5160. Only just can use this 5160 stepper. This is a repairable controller core. It has a repairable control core coring king. You can freely choose between the this one is the King 407. We in our the AliExpress store we have 4 chip core for you choose, but our recommends the 407 for you. And even you can make your own controller core. The multiply first rear support is support multiply firmware. You can choose to use Clipper Marines 2.0 wrapper firmware, GRBL and other firmware according to your performance and needs. The industrial grade standard design 5,000 voltage through I/O isolation is provides more secure hardware base. On board higher power isolated power supply, and the controller core is isolated from all the high voltage peripheral, including stepper motor driver. MOSFET output higher voltage in precise CAN bus at. And 10-way stepper motor driver. Look here. Here is a 10-way stepper motor driver support. One board 10-way stepping motor driver shock. Can have look this big board. It has a new 6A driver design. It can drive 57 or even 86 step motor without external driver, and also has intelligent identification or driver tag. It can intelligent identify the driver tag. It can get a driver tag through an additional MCU and switch the SPI UART channel automatically. It's moved away from teddy drop configurations and saves time searching for documentation. It's not long has a problem with a driver configuration error.
Okay. A variety of communication interface support. It supports onboard 5000 voltage accelerated CAN interface. Supports wireless Wi-Fi interface. Supports ESP32 high-speed communication module. Supports serial port SPI USB connection to SBC such as Raspberry Pi. Century heat dissipation of heat generating components. The motherboard will centrally arrange the heating components, covering the top cylinder fan position. You don't need to rack your place to decide the air that you can get better and more stable output performance. Compatible with ERCF common socket design. The socket layout is set according to dual-edge wiring habits, which can make it easier to use the ERCF. The whole board adopts the dual-edge tie socket layout, which is dual-edge tie fan force with feedback, all solid capacitors, power section. You can provide more stable power supply and higher efficiency. And compact design, it has a very small size of 177 mm times 108 mm, realize multiple MOSFET outputs, and supports up to 10 drivers.
Good job. The Spider King will go on sale soon and is on a pre-sales now. If you like it, please contact our customer service. One more thing. This industrial grade 3D printing motherboard just only use our base stepper motor. Also, this the chip core. We have 4 sessions for you too. Our AliExpress store has a 407 core. It's a nice course for you choose. So this motherboard is just pre-sales. So and the quantity is limited. If you want to test this motherboard, please go our comment section to get the discount to buy one.
Yes, the newest 10-axis industry grade motherboard, professional motherboard.
Yes, it's a very professional motherboard. It has a 10-axis industry grade motherboard. So the last series, anyways, we support the OEM and ODM service like the motor, lighter guide, from profits, motherboard, and welcome your inquiries. We support the customized service. So like the high quality spring street and French motherboard motor and any 3D printing part we support to customize. Finally, thank you so much for your watching. If you haven't got the coupon yet, you can go to our comment section to get the coupon. And any further questions, please contact our customer service. Very Thank you for your watching our live broadcast. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Thank you.是这样子吗？
我觉得结束的有点。